Student 1 dot data there or not there? Student 1 dot data there or not there? It is not there. Not there means we will get what? Exception. Which exception will is coming? See, that exception is coming here. What is that exception? File not found error. File not found error. So it is also supposed to be addressed very perfectly, guys. Try this entire thing. I am writing under what is this? Except I am writing. Except file not found error. File not found error. File not found error. So I am saying that print file does not exist. File does not exist. File does not exist. File does not exist. Okay, right. So if you want, this data is there, na? This data, f dot read, all these things. This I can read in the else bracket also. I can write it. Once the file is there, I can write in else part. Otherwise, need not to. So see that once execute this code. Now you will get file does not exist. File does not exist. If I write student.data, you will get the answer. See that answer, I got it. I hope that you people got my concept here. Dear students, are you understanding? Fine. Now I want to move forward. This is our important code. Let me go to the one more kind of example. I want to go for it. So what is that example? Write down now. Ma. One more code you write it. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will retrieve date of births from a given string data. Date of births is important. Date of births from date of births from given string data. Data births from given string data. Dear student, look at that word. I will write some information, So either you can do with a normal code or you can do with the files also, we can do it. Suppose I will take Python program, I will take it. See the Python program, date of births. First you understand study the data. So I will write a dob.py. These are all very, very important and more intelligent programming this is. For example, I am writing DOB's information. I am writing DOB's info is equal to, I am writing Vijay. So I am writing Vijay. I am writing 15 20 something like 2001. Vijay 2001. Next I am writing Rohit. I am writing Rohit here. I am writing some information. 22. I am writing 10, something like 2000. I wrote like this. Next I am writing here. Mr. Ram is having 1997. 1997. Okay. Durga Prasad, D Prasad, CH Durga Prasad. Now I am writing D Prasad. D Prasad. D Prasad date of birth is. So I don't know the D Prasad date of birth. So I will take. So maybe I'm thinking, what is the date of birth? I don't know. 23. I will write 1 2. Okay, 1 2 1 2 1998. Next, like this, we can write even in the file also. Right. Yes, ma. Spurti, I am showing you na. This is the data. This is called what? Normal information we got. Normal information. Same thing I stored in the form of files also na. Same thing we can write the same information. If you, I will show you both of them. Okay na? Please carefully follow. Carefully follow in the class. First, let me go for normal. So Mr. Ram is this one, Rohit is this one, and this is like this. Now I am writing ma. Durga Prasad is the like this. Next I am writing Rosam date of birth is something like 23, 05. So he was born in 1947, for example, 1947. So like that, so many people's information is available. So Gosling date of birth is something like 10, something like 12. He is also 1950. Gosling, Java, father of Java. Right. So Newton, like that, you can go on writing it, no problem. So this is an information we got it. Okay, some information. Even I can write these things in the files also, no problem. First, let me show you normally. Like, listen. Now I need to prepare the regular expression. So we have the search method, we have the find all method, find iterator method, etc. Anyone you can use it, depends on it. Now I want to go for DOB's list. DOB list is equal to list of data births. I want RE dot find all. The most important information is okay, ma Venkatesh. I will write Venkatesh. So I'm writing here Venkatesh is having date of birth is called 30 30 is having 30 02, and this is containing 1999. Okay, enough. Now don't tell any date of births now. Over. Find all. Now I will write the regular expression. Observe it carefully. Study the data. Here 22. Here 1. Here 1. Here 1. Here 23. Here 30. Here 10. Like that. So what is that? DD. And two D's. 2 M's. 2 M's means 2 D's only. That also. Here 4 Y's. That is our information actually. So what is the regular expression you are taking? First I will show you the normal one and we will see the output. Later I will adjust it. Okay. First observe that. So I will write, I will write \D of 2. \D of 2. What it indicates? How many digits? Ma? Like this I need to write it. 2. What is the meaning of it? 2 digits. 2 digits. After that, what will be there? What is the common symbol available everywhere? What is the common symbol available everywhere? Hyphen. This you will get by practicing only. Next, what you will get it? Slash. Next, what you will get it? D of 2. Next, D of 2. This is for what? First one is for DD. Next is for what? Months. Next is what? Ma? I'm waiting for your answer. Hyphen. Okay, done. Slash. Next, I'm waiting for it. D of 4. Very good. D of 4. Very good. Comma. What is the data? DOB info, I will pass it. DOB info. Data births info. Of course, I will import RE also. Import RE. Dear students, be careful, ma. Import RE. So it is looking for D of 2. Is it having 2 digits here? Is it having 2 digits here? No, sir. It is having only 1 digit. So will it be selected or not selected? No, sir, not selected. Next, looking for next one more. Will it be selected or not? Condition apply. Will it be selected or not? Yes, sir, this is selected. Mr. Ram is also having single digit. Will it be selected or not? Will not be selected, sir. Will not be selected, sir. Will not be selected. Okay. Next, 7 also is there. 7 also. It is not selected. This also, only 1 7 is there, not selected. Next, second one is there. That also will not select. Next, 23/05/1947 selected. Next is selected. Next is selected. So if all of them are satisfying this condition, then only it will be selected. Just to print it, ma. Print off DOB list, ma. DOB list. Then execute. DOB list means it is printing in the form of list. See the result. I will adjust, ma. I will adjust. So DOB list. DOB.py. Yes, dear students, look at ma. DOB. There are so many ideas you can use it. No problem at all. You use it. You experiment on it. See ma, those who are having 2-digit symbols only, they are getting selected. They are getting selected. Other things are not selected. Other things are not selected. So intentionally I wrote here 0 5. Suppose you write only 5. You write only 2 only 2 you write it. Then you see what is selected. What is selected here? Only 2 things are selected. Completely satisfied things are. Here I removed 0, not selected. Here I removed 0, not selected. Only 2 things are selected. Got it. Now, sir, now I want to select other things also, sir. Other things also I want to select, sir. So this is okay, but I want to select other kind of things also. Dear students, please look at, I will prepare one more type of DOB list. Later I will adjust it. DOB list 1, this is. DOB list 2, I am going to prepare. First understand, ma. Don't be hurry. Please understand. Now I am writing, dear students, I am writing one thing. Okay, plus we can write Arindam, you can write happily, you can write. Let me use some new things here. D of, today I am using one new mechanism, 1, 2. See ma, you can understand D of 1, 2. D of 1, 2. What is the meaning of it? Minimum how many? Minimum how many? 1. Maximum how many? 2. That is either 1 or 2. Meaning is either 1 or 2. Are you understanding this meaning, Amma? Are you understanding this meaning? Yes. Arindam. New things, ma. Here, D of 2 again. What I will write there? What I will write there? 1, 2 I can write it. 1, 2. D plus you can write happily. No problem, ma. D plus you can write. But when I write D plus, what will happen? When I write D plus, what will happen? 1 or more. 1 or more. But you tell me, D plus you can write happily, but it is not that much effective. Suppose if the date of birth is 12, selected, 05, 5 selected, then 2000 it is selected. Suppose if somebody is there, 122, something like 5345, 2000. Suppose in this case, will it be selected or not? Will it be selected or not? Yes, sir. So is it a valid data? Is it a valid DD? No, sir. Is it a valid MM? No, sir. DD should contain what? Either 1 digit or 2 digits. This is a perfect one or what I feel it. What do you say? Is it a perfect one or not? Yes, that's why I will prefer to go for this only. D of 1, 2, D of 1, 2, D of 4. D of 4, that is called Pakka. Pakka, DOB info, DOB info, as it is you pass it. As it is you pass it of what? Like this. As it is you pass it off like this. So I am writing like this. So coming to the point back, now I am writing, you see that, okay ma, 1 minute. DOB list 2, this is. DOB list 2. Yes ma, I corrected it. Thank you. So I got it. See, all of them I got it. All the people's data I got it. All the person's data. Here only 2 people's data I got it. That is not that much effective. This is the most effective one. Yes. So coming to this ma, this I will take it off. This I will take it off. Take it off. Now you print this data perfectly. You print this data perfectly. How do you print it? So I am saying that what print date of births. Date of births I can write. So I am writing here. Date of births. Print of. I am writing date of births. date of births I am writing. How do you write it? For DB in where it is? DOB list 2. DOB list 2. Print of what? Print of \t dot format of DB. Now you execute Now you execute, dear students. Now you got the complete data births. You got it. Dear students, is it perfect? Yes, ma. I told you, na, ma. I told you. This is a standard format. Suppose if it is containing slash like this, what you will do? If it is containing slash like this, we will prepare instead of hyphen. We can write what like this. We will write. Depends on the data. Study the data. If you have this type of data, take a separate kind of data. And do it. Do it. Are you following? Yes. Kadak. Okay, very good. Kadak. This is a Kadak example. This is Kadak example. Very nice. So the same information, you store it in the files. So how I will store it in the files? I will take this file, take this information, put it into the form of file, text file. I will take it in the file. This is the information, put it in the form of files. Save it. What is this now? dob.info. dob.info you write it. dob.info you write it. It's my file. Come on, what I will do? Same code I will take it, ma. So here you see, I will take it. dob1.py. Happily, this you remove. There I will write. What is that? rp is equal to, or I will write one more with open of dob.info of what? Or as rp. Which type of operations this is, ma? Which type of operations this is? With open I am using, with open. So if it is that, you read the data. What is the data? DOBs is equal to rp.read. Then you pass a DOBs. Finished. You pass a DOBs. Or read the data, keep the data inside of it and print that. So save it. Save this data. Save this program. dob1.py. Out of that, say dob1.py. So we got that. Data births also we got. From the file also we can read. Dear students, are you okay? Spurti, are you okay, ma'am? Is it okay, ma'am? Right. Fine, sir. Next, I want to go for one more kind of thing. I want to go for it. That is nothing but, so last example I am going for, ma'am. That is reading the data from the file of getting the email IDs. This is the most important example. Yes, ma. Gauss Sayed. I will tell you in the last, ma. I will announce in the last 15 minutes. I will announce. Okay. Please let me continue the subject. Now I am going to use next concept I am using. Write down the code. Write down the question you write. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will extract or read email IDs from the from the given data, from the given data, from the given data. In the bracket you write with the files, without files, 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 with the files, without files. Right. So let us move forward to the important example. This is, you tell me, with the files you want me to do, without files you want me to do, with the files, without files, dear students. Okay, both are okay, both I will do it. Okay, no problem, no problem, I will do both, with both, because it's only the matter of one thing. If I do, other thing is dead easy. First, without files I will do it. So import re, this is the program for important program for extracting email IDs from given information from given information. So what is that information? That is, I am giving the file name called email.py. So what is my information? Simple, simple. First let me do it. After that I will go for normal programming also. Email.py, import re. See, mail info. I am taking mail info is equal to double quotes. Now I am taking yes ma, good. So I am giving one small thing. This project, for example, the project announced by I'm writing some small information. Announced by KVR to his students, in case of any queries, contact, I'm saying, for example, contact. Now I'm writing Ravi at the rate gmail.com, Ravi.k. Next, another one I will write it, Ravi.k, or you can contact Mr. Ravi. Whose email ID is. Next, I will give one more person name. You can contact to Rajshekar. Rajshekar, whose mail ID is Raj dot something like R at the rate yahoo.com. Next, comma. Next is called, what I will write, Arindam. I can write Arindam, whose mail ID is Arindam dot 123 or 123x or 12ab 12 something like p at the rate hotmail.com, like this. So I'm having like this. So much of information is there. See, lot of solutions will be there, ma. So one of the solution I am giving it. Okay. Now I am going to give you next email ID preparation. How it is done, sir? Please remember our quantifiers, ma. So except space, you think about it. Except space kind of thing, you think about it. So I am writing list, mail list is equal to mail list, mail, mail list is equal to re dot find all of See, I'm preparing one thing, small backslash capital S. What is the meaning of backslash capital S, for example, ma? What is the meaning of backslash capital S? What is small s? Looking for what? Karan, listen, mom. Small s is for what actually? Space. Only space character. But I am writing what? Capital S. What is the meaning of capital S? Except space. Take all. Very good. It is one, but I am writing plus. One or more. One or more. Without space. Without space. Space without space. Yes, plus. After that is nothing but these are all comes under what? Without space. This is comes under what? Without space. This is comes under what? Without space. This is comes under what? Without space. Without space. Then what is the symbol commonly available? What is the symbol commonly available? At the rate symbol. At the rate symbol, guys. After that, who is that person is starting the video unnecessarily? Shiva Anumula. Shiva Anumula. Shiva Anumula. Please keep your video off. Next, after that, what is there? Again, what is there? Okay, ma. Thank you, ma. Bruce Lee, thank you. So, I will take yahoo.com, hotmail.com. Again, I will write what? Again, I will write what? Backslash yes, I will write plus. Simplest one I am using. Simplest one I am using. What do you feel? What do you feel? It's not only com, it can be .net also, it can be UDU also, anything it can be. Akash, it is not only .com, mama. It is not only .com. Anything. Net also. KVR. This is announced by KVR. Whose mail ID? I will write whose mail ID, for example. Whose mail ID is KVR. KVR1 .java @gmail.com. For example, gmail.com. So I will write gmail.net. Don't think that gmail.net is there. Just I am writing. Testing. Okay, ma, no problem. Shiva, no problem. Please concentrate, ma. Because your video is displaying in my middle of the screen. So you are wearing mask and listening the class. I am seeing that only. So please take care and take care. No problem. Listen carefully. Comma, mail info. Okay, right. Okay, ma, no problem. Not at all problem. Listen. So mail info. I am just keeping that. So this backslash yes this point is looking for everything. It is looking for everything, provided this everything should be satisfied. All these things not satisfied because we don't have any such type of symbol. Which symbol? This one. Now you take this. It is looking for this part you see. What is there? At the rate symbol. At the rate symbol behind what is there? All the characters except space. All the characters except space. Yes, ma. Dot is also one special symbol. Except space means what is covered? Backslash yes plus. Backslash yes means what? Any word character. Plus means what? One or more. I hope you people are okay. Are you okay, ma? Yes. After that at the rate symbol, you have again backslash s plus. Anything. Finished. For come on. M list in mail list. Print. Mail list. M list. So it is going to print mails. So I am going to print here one small information amount. Print off. I will take list of mails. Print off. I am writing list of mails to contact. So I am writing. So those mails I am retrieving it. So I will write at the end of it. Done. Save this code. Email.py. Yes, ma, Karan. It is everything. Once you go for involving the subject, anything we explain, that will be dead easy for you at the end of the topic. If you involve, it is dead easy. It is a dead easy, ma. Not at all difficult. See, ma, email.py. See that, ma? All the things are coming. kvr1.java.mail.net, ravi.k. etc. and then arindam etc. Are you understanding, ma? Are you understanding? Perfect. Now, same kind of information, we can keep it in the file also. Let us have it, let us have it, let us have it in the files. Let us go to file, text file, I will take it, one text file. So, yes ma, I will explain once again, don't worry. So, I will take it like this. See, this one. So, you add some more thing. Something else you write it. Mallesh, I will say Mallesh. Whose mail ID is, mail ID is Mallesh dot se at the rate ibm.com. Next I am writing Ram Creations, Mr. Ram, whose mail ID is Ram at the rate Ram creation creat at the rate, here I am writing film.com, film.in, right, like this. Okay, no problem. Outlook.in, comma, I am writing Karan, 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 whose mail ID is, what is that? Whose mail ID is Karan, something like .tcs12 at the rate outlook.in. For example, this is my data. Finished. This is a file. What is this file? Mails.info. This is called mails.info. Saved. Coming to the point of it, next, I will write the code. This is my program. This I will copy it. Not at all a difficult at all. Not at all a difficult. I will paste it here. I will remove this data. I will remove this information. So, email, files, file email dot py. Come on, next importing. Come on, ma. I will say with open. What I am doing? What is my file name? Mails info, comma, I will say R, yes, RP. Now read RP. Now this entire information will come to that place only. All these things will come to that level only. So please maintain the indentation carefully, ma. Now read. What is the data? File data or mail data. Mail data is equal to rp.read. Completely read. Mails info. Completely. So this is called mail data. Okay, ma. RP. Okay. RP. So I will write mail data. I am writing mail data. That is done. Save this code, ma. Yes. So I'm doing this code. Let us go to this place. Then say file. I'm writing file email.py. So I'm getting, see, all the people's information is coming. Here I got only 4 people's information. I added Mallesh IBM and Ram Creation Film dot and current TCS Outlook.in. Most wonderful coding part. Dear students, are you okay, ma? Yes. Perfect. So are you good in the regular expressions? Are you good in regular expressions? Now, you take any Python student and ask what is regular expression. They don't know the definition also. This is what regular expressions exercise is. Right, mom. Thank you for your compliments. Whenever we go for very good understanding, You will praise me. Very good. Thanks for your praises. But that praises will make me to go for a more responsible way. More responsibilities will come on my shoulders. Right. Right. Arindam, you have to read the data from the file, Nama. We have to read the data from the file. We have to. We have to read. Okay, na? Yes. Yes, ma. Now, okay. It's giving Vijay Kumar. Thank you, ma. Now, okay. This is. I will upload immediately after the class. I will upload this in the Google Drive class immediately after the class. This is about the information related to the files. Dear students, can I move forward? Next, this is about the regular expressions. Regular expressions. Now, let me move forward to the another module I want to introduce. A small module I just want to introduce. Can I give one homework for you? Yes, ma. Shubham, I uploaded today morning, ma. Today morning I uploaded for you. Can I give one homework for you? Yes, sir. Okay. Write down, ma. Write down. Consider the file. Consider the following file. Write down. It's a very good case study for you. Consider the following file. Consider the following file. Consider the following file. Consider the following file. Consider the following files. Right. 1 minute you read. 1 minute you see the file. Now I am writing, dear students. You just see 1000. Number is called 10. Name is called Praveen Kumar. Name is called Praveen. Now, name is Praveen, who is called a software engineer, and whose salary is called something like 15,000. For example, 15,000. 0.56. Next person is 20. He is called Yoga, whose name is Yoga, whose foot name is Yoga. He is also SE. Whose salary is, he is having 15,009, 15,009 point something like 45. Next 30, he is called Mr. Ramu. Vishnu. Okay, Vishnu is ready. Vishnu. He is called a TL. Who is called a TL? Whose salary is called something like 23,456.56. Next 40 I am writing. Something like Mr. Ramu. He is a trainee. He is TR. I wrote a TR. And whose salary is called 3456.67. Like that, we have a lot of information. I have lot of information. Now I am asking. This is called a file. Which file, ma? This is which file? This is called. My file name is called emp.info. This is my file. It is called a file. These are called records. This is called a record. Now what? Read employee numbers. Read employee numbers. Read employee salary. Employee salaries. Now you need to do. What is the employee number regular expression, Amma? What is the employee regular expression? 2. That is called 1, 3 also you can say. 1, 3. What is this 1, 3? What is 1, 3? Minimum 1 number. Maximum how many numbers? 3. 1, 2, 3. That is both, all of them are included. Minimum 1, maximum 3. So you want to go for only 2, you can go for 2 itself. Like this. Salaries I want to do it. How do you take the salaries, ma? For D. Come on, ma. What is that? Come on. I say, okay, no problem. You can say You can say, so you can say this one you see. How many are there? How many are there? You study the data first. You study the data first. Totally 5 are there. 5. For example, if we have 5. 5. Dot. What is that now? D of, what is that? 2. D of 2. 1 comma 2 also you can say. 1 comma 2 you can say. 1 digit, 1 decimal or 2 decimals. Here you can say what? 4, 3 comma 2. 3 digit salary, 4 digit salary, 5 digit salary. I hope that you are understanding. I gave the hint also for you. Apply this regular expression and do that. Apply the regular expression and do it. Will you do it? Will you do it, ma? Yes. So try to do that kind of examples. Try to do that kind of examples. We should not escape from this. Please complete that. And tomorrow when I ask you, you should say that sir completed. You should say that sir it is completed. Okay? Right. Shall I move forward? Shall I introduce the next one? So I want to introduce some short concept because we have some 1 hour of time. I will introduce one small concept. Whenever I find some small amount of time, that time I will go for this. I'll go for this information. So this is completion of regular expression. Now I am going for Kondal Reddy. I will upload in the notes, ma. I will upload immediately after the class into the Google Drive class. Okay, na? Immediately I will upload in the Google Drive class. Okay? Right. So what is my previous example? 1 minute you see. What is my previous example? This is a previous example of mine. This one. This is a one. Now, Kondal Reddy, Seema. Now I am moving forward. Which one I want to go for it? Which one I want to go for? Next I want to go for it. Random module. Heading you write down all of it. Regular expressions over. Random module. I just want to go for random module. Heading. All of you. Random module in Python. Random module in Python. Random module in Python. Random module in Python. It is also little useful one for you. Right. Fine. You dear students, Raj Singh, I shown you now. This over now. This is over. I said that I will upload in the Google Drive. It is a mail only. It is a mail only. Mail information. Right. So finished. So please let me continue in the last moments. If you want, I will show you that. Don't interrupt me in the middle of the classes. Now, coming to the random module. Right. Yes. In the starting classes, I told you, na? Yes. Suppose you take OTPs. I want to generate the OTPs. OTPs are expected a random. OTPs are expected a random. Random. They are called random. They are called random, guys. Now, dear students, tell me, it is easy for you to understand also. Random module is used for what? Random module is used for what? Used to perform some actions randomly as to get a random number, selecting the random elements from the list, shuffling the elements randomly, etc. To perform some random actions. Yes, for security purpose and all. To perform some type of what? Random operations, I will use this random module. It is also regularly asking question. It is also regularly asking question in interview point of view. What is the purpose of random module? Now I am writing, ma. Slowly I am coming to that. Random is one of the predefined module. I am writing within the double quotes. Random is one of the predefined module. Is one of the predefined module. Predefined module is one of the predefined module. Dear students, random module, the purpose of random module, the purpose of random module is used for performing, is used for performing some random actions. Some random actions. What are those random actions? Since I know, I'm writing now itself. Now I'm going to show you one by one. To perform some random actions such as generating random number, generating random number. I will show you that. Generating random number. Selecting random element. Selecting random element. From where? From any iterable object. From any iterable object. See, very, very careful. Selecting an element randomly from any iterable object. From any iterable object. Comma. Shuffling the elements. Shuffle the elements. Shuffle the elements. Shuffle the elements randomly. Shuffle the elements randomly. Randomly. Etc. These many number of operations we perform. With what module? Random module. The purpose of random module is used for performing some random actions such as generating random number, selecting random element from any iterable object, shuffle the elements randomly, etc. These many number of operations we can perform. So, what are the functions we are having in this random module? What are the essential functions we are having in random module? We are going to see. Now I am writing some of the essential methods, some of the essential functions present in random module are number one, random. I will explain what is random. Function name is called random. Next function is called what? Rand int. Rand int. R-A-N-D-I-N-T. Rand int. Third I am going for. Rand int. Next is called what? Rand range. Rand R-A-N-D R-A-N-G. Rand range. Next I am going to tell you choice. Now I am going to tell you fourth is called choice. I will give you choice. Next I am going to tell you shuffle. S-H-U-F-F-L-E. Shuffle. This is called fifth. Right. So these are the essential methods we are going to use. Very regularly these are coming in front of us. So let us go for discussing about one by one about this kind of thing. So let us go to the first one called random. Watch it. What is the purpose of this function? The purpose of this function is to generate a random number. Between 0.0 to 1.0. 0.0 to 1.0. 1.0 is exclusive. It will not be coming at all. Between 0.0 to 1.0, always when we are talking about it. See, now I will write the syntax. What is that now? Random is a module. Random is a function. What it will give you? It will give you some random number. And this function will give the any random number between 0.0 to 1.0. So I am going to say this function is used for generating any random number in the form of float between 0.0 to 1.0. Between 1.0 to 1.0. 0.0 can be coming. 1.0 is exclusive. It will not come at all. Let us test it. Example, I can write it. Example, I can write it. Directly, I can go for the example. So how do you write it? I can go for random dot random. I can write it. Random dot random. I can write like this. Let me go to that. What will be the values which is coming now? I'll go to new, then say others, and then Python. So I'm saying random example rex1.py, rex1.py. So I say import random, then say what? Random dot random off, random off. Save this. It is not a big code, it is a very, very small code only. Go to that place and then create a random module. I will say random module. There I will take this file name, rex.py. Go to the Python place, out of that cd random. Now see, I will say py rand.exe. So of course 1 minute, I will print it. Sorry, print off. I will say print off. I say now you execute. I got the number. You see such a big number I got it. Once again you run it. You will not get the same number. You will get some other number. Once again you execute. Once again. Is the number is decided by you? You see 7555 here 7555. So coming to the point back, we are going to use it. Coming to the point back here, 756345 here, 115. Don't think that this same number. We are getting some different things. So it is going to give you what number? Random number is generating. Fine. Coming to the point of it. Are you understanding all of you? Are you following me? Are you understanding what I am talking here? Everybody? Yes. Next I am going for, this is random floats are displayed. Now I want to go for, here I will write print. So random floats are displayed here. Now I want to go for one more type of second function I am going to apply. What is that next? Rand int function I am going to apply. So what is the rand int function? See, rand int. The name itself says. What is that? Look at that. This function I am writing here. This function is used for, returning or generating random integer. This function is used for generating random integer between I am writing between specified integer, between the specified integers. This function is used for generating random integers between the specified integers. Sir, what exactly that is? Let us give the example. So first I will go for the syntax. Random dot rand int of 1 comma, suppose that is nothing but start comma stop, this one, start comma stop. Specified integers from from stop to stop minus 1, start to stop minus 1. Generating any random integer between specified integers from start to stop. Coming to the point back, numbers I want to go for it. So let's go for the example. Let us go to the example. Here, let us go to the next example. Look at. So others here, Python here, coming to the point. Random. Now I am writing rand int of 1 comma 10. I am saying 1 comma 10. See that 1 comma 10, what will happen? See rex2. It's a small code only will come. See that. It's easy. Now execute. So I will say rex2.5. Rex2.5. What came? 6 came. 6. Next example, 7. Next example, next I got 3. Next I got 5. Next I got 10. Next I got 10. Right. Next I got, okay, 10. Okay, 1 minute, ma. Let me go for specified integers. 1 minute, you please observe it. Stop minus 1. No, this is going to be rand this place 1.0. It is not rand int. It's a small correction. Even I used to get confused at this time. So rand int will come between the numbers start to stop. It is going to come. Please make me to get correction, and I corrected you also. Are you understanding this correction? Avinash Mishra, I told you already, Mr. Avinash Mishra. I don't know what are daily you are asking such one inconvenient doubt. The purpose of random module is, Mr. Avinash Mishra, you see this, read by yourself. It is only highlighted for Avinash Mishra. Mr. Avinash Mishra, read. I don't know what, at the time of explaining what are you doing. So please that carefully understand. This is written already some 15 minutes back already written. I hope so. Avinash Mishra is completed reading. Right. Come on to the point back here. Execute once again. I got the numbers like this. Now, for example, if you say go to the example place once again, I will write something like 100 comma some 200 I am writing. 100 comma 200 I am writing. What is happening? You see, between 100 and 200 will come. Between 100 and 200 will come. You go on taking like this. Dear students, I hope you people are following. Now suppose I want to generate a OTP, for example. I decided to generate a OTP. Between 5-digit number I want to generate. 5-digit number I want to generate. So I am going to mention that like this. 99999 I am writing. So between this OTP will come. Between that one OTP will come. Between that one OTP will come. Between that one OTP will come. Are you understanding, all of you? Yes. So very, very simple. How do you generate a OTP? Is it a big deal? OTP size is what? You want 4-digit number? You want 4-digit OTP number? I can take 1000 and then 99999 I can take it. So I will go for what? Generating this OTP like this. I got the information like this. Coming to the point back, we got this information like this. Fine. Perfect. So I hope so. Rand int function is clear. Is the rand int function is clear or not clear? Yes. So rand int function is clear. So I can take this type of smaller example only. I will paste here itself. In the example place only, I will write it like a OS module. Smaller example. So I am writing like this. Fine. So coming to this place, here even first one also I will write it like this. Coming to this place. So writing example part of this. So easy, nothing is difficult. So it's very simple, not at all difficult, it is easy. Let me go to the next rand range function. I will take it. Rand range function. I will take it. Next function is rand range. Easy. Rand range function is used for. Rand range function is used for. You see. CMA. First, let me show you the example part. Then I will explain to you. See, rand range. I will first show you the example. Then I will talk about it. Others, Python. Now I am taking REX example 3.5. Random. Rand range. Suppose I said 10 ma. The first syntax I am writing 10. You see, REX example 3.5. Out of that, REX 3.5. See that 1. Next, see, 1 minute, ma. 1 minute. Check it out. 1 minute, check it out. 9 came, 9. Next, like that, you check for any number of times. 10 will not come at all. 0 came. Please observe it. 0 came. 1 also came. You just go on running it. 9 came. 5 also came. It indicates rand range is taking 10. This is going to generate the numbers. Generates the random numbers from 0 to 10 minus 1. 0 to 10 minus 1. So the default starts from where? 0. So guys, I am saying, so the first function, rand function, is a syntax number 1 I will write. Syntax number 1 I will write. What is the syntax number 1? I am writing rand range is start or some value, whatever you like it, start. What it gives you? Generates, or I can write this syntax. 1 minute more. Random dot start. This syntax generates random numbers from 0 to start minus 1. Generates the random numbers from 0 to start minus 1. Finished. Generates the random numbers from 0 to start minus 1. Okay. Next, we are having one more syntax. You can specify syntax number 2. See, syntax number 2. What is the syntax number 2, ma? See, random dot rand range of start comma stop. So coming to the point of it, I am giving this syntax generates the numbers from where? This syntax generates the numbers from where? Start to stop minus 1. Stop minus 1 value. Start minus 1 value. Start to stop minus 1 value. Check it out this part. Here I will write, okay, this part I will give you the example in this place. I will give an example at this level. Send example. I can mention the example here itself. What is the example here? Right, like this. I mentioned it. Next, let us go to the start comma stop. Then you see this part of it. Here I will take it. Next one, numbers. See Python here. I will paste it. 4. I say random 10 comma 20. Generates the random numbers from 10 to 20 minus 1. REX 4.5. REX 4.5. 1 minute more. Okay. REX 4.5. Numbers numbers, numbers. See, 19 came. So 10 also came, but it will not give you 20 at all. 20 at all, because 20 minus 1 only it will come. So I hope that RAND range is clear. RAND range is clear. I hope it is clear. Fine. Now, this is about the syntax number 2 of RAND range. Okay. Now I will take this part. Now I can mention taking this part like this. So coming to this part, example, I am taking like this. Right, done. Fine, keeping it aside. Now, next function I am going to introduce. Choice function I am going to introduce. Choice function. So let us see. Choice function I am taking. Choice. So second one, third, fourth is called choice. Very, very simple. Choice function selects random element from any iterable object. From any iterable object it will take. So directly take syntax. After that I will write the functionality. Random dot syntax I am writing. Random dot choice. Random dot choice of iterable object I wrote. So what is an example? You take example, you see. Now I am taking LST is equal to, some small LST is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Print off what I am doing, random dot choice of LST. Random dot choice of LST. From the 10, 20, 30, 40, any one of the number will come. From any one of the number will come. Let us go to that program. Others, say, very, very dead easy. So coming to the point of it, let us maintain that. Import random. rex5.py. rex.py. See that? Save this code. Done. Execute. Now see that 5.py. So I got what? 50. Execute once again. You say like this. It is, we can't give an element. Which element is going to occur? Choice function. So not only the choice element is like this, we can take one more also. Directly I will write it. Ma, you see, keep it like that. One more. See, I will write. Yes, ma. Look at print off random dot choice. Random dot choice. I am writing python. It is what? str object, iterable object. So either P may select, Y may select, T may select, or Y is any one of the element will be selected. Any one of the element can select. See that now. What is coming? O. It is coming O. Next one is called what? N. Next one is called what? O. Next one is called H. Next one is called N. Next one is called N. Next is called P. Next is called O. Next is called Y. Like that, any of the random element is coming. I hope that you people are understanding. It's not only that part, ma. You can take any of the element you can take. Now you take, for example, tuple you take it. Tuple you take it. So I am taking here 10 comma KVR, comma, something like OUCET, Now you say, for example, 34.56. You take like this. Tuple you take. Now you see, from there you see what is coming. Now from there, choice, 1 minute, what is happening? Choice of 1 minute. So it is taking TPL, I will take it as TPL. Okay, it is saying only one parameter, TPL. TPL, I will take it. TPL is equal to, like this, I took it. Now you see, print function close. Print function close. Now I got it. KVR I got it. Next you execute. I got 10. Roll number I got it. Next you see KVR I got it. Next you see 10 I got it. Next 10. Next you see 34.56 I got it. Next anything you say, oh you see. That means these are the values which are coming. I hope that any iterable object you pass it, the information will be coming. Right? Coming to the point back, we got the choice. So what is the purpose of choice function, Amma? What is the purpose of choice function? Now I am writing this function is used for, this function is used for selecting any random element, from iterable object, random element from iterable object. Selecting any element, this function is used for selecting any random element from iterable object. So I am writing, dear students, coming to the point of it, here syntax is like this. So the iterable object already you are aware of it. Iterable object you are already aware of it. That iterable object you are taking it, and you have seen the example part also. The example part is, you have seen that these many number of things you have done. So random kind of things can be used these many number of functions. So I will give you one more example here. One more example we will give you. Now you are going to get like this. We got the data. Fine. So we got the data. Now, dear student, now I am going for last and final function. What is my final function here? What is the function name? What is the function name, guys? Shuffle. Now I will take the shuffle function. Shuffle function I will take it. Take carefully. Shuffle function. First of all, are you following or maintaining silence, all of you? So sir is going on explaining. We will sleep or something. Okay, following. Yes, ma'am. 80% of the people will always follow. Just 80 to 85 always will follow, even in any context. But only thing is that 15% of the people are important for us. So now shuffle function. Now you expect it, what shuffle function will do, ma? What shuffle function will do? Shuffling. In your childhood days, when you are playing the cards, even in the computer also, what you will do? Come on. Shuffle the cards. Shuffling, the playing cards are there, no? Playing cards are there, no? Yes. Reordering. Yes. Yoga CSC. Good. Reordering the elements order. Reordering. Shuffle method randomly reorders the elements in the iterable object. Mixing, reordering, that is a perfect word. Now I am writing this function is used for reordering the elements of Any iterable object. Any iterable object. Reordering the elements of any iterable object. That is the meaning of it. Reorder. This wording is very, very important. Changing the place, mixing, all of them are going to be same. Sir, what is the syntax, sir? Syntax I am going to give you, ma. Just please follow. So I am writing. Here I am writing syntax is. I am writing choice. Yeah, ma. Bruce Lee, what is your doubt, ma? Rand range. Please tell the function of rand range. Explained already. Already explained, na? Rand range. What is your doubt? Rand range will contain two things. Starting from where? 0 to start -1. Okay. Rand range function. Rand range function. Syntax. Okay, this one. Okay. I will write it. What is the purpose of rand range? Okay, let me complete, ma. Let me complete this part and I will go back. Okay. Bruce Lee, thank you, ma. Actually, I forget to write. Bruce Lee, thank you. Right. Coming to the point of it, random.choice iterable object. Now let us go to that choice or shuffle. It is shuffle. It is shuffle. Shuffle of iterable object. Of iterable object. Take that example. And go to this. Now just to see that place mark. So I will take this part of it. Now you take this part of it. Better. I will take this. See, I am having others. So I am writing this part. Look at RE6 functions. Now I am having choice, shuffle. I will say shuffle. SHUFFLE. So first I will do random dot shuffle of LST. Now I will print. First I will print original elements. Next, original elements is equal to I will say dot format of LST. Now you shuffle it. After that you printed shuffled list, shuffled elements. I will take shuffled elements. Now I am taking SHUFFLED, shuffled elements. Shuffled elements is equal to same LST. So these LST elements are shuffled. I hope that you people are following. Original elements, these elements are shuffled. We can't predict which order they are going to come. See that. So 6.pi. What happens? Okay. One bracket extra. Right, ma. See that? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 20, 50, etc. You see, these are the things. Okay, now you try to take it. str is equal to Python. So you try to reshuffle it. Try to reshuffle of LST. Yes. STR or yes, you take it. STR1. Now you print it. Original element. Before that, I need to write original value. See that original data, original string of str1. Next, shuffled string. Shuffled string of what? I will write str1 because it is shuffle function is used. Now see, ma, I am getting what is this? Okay. So right, ma, I expected this part. because it is only one value. It is only one value. This is stated as. What I am doing, guys, please understand. It is only one value. It is something like what? It is something like as good as 10 only. It is as good as 10 only. Can I shuffle this single value? Just apply your intel. I expected this error will come. Can I shuffle this 10? Single value. Like that, our Python is also called what? Our Python is also called a single value. Single value cannot be shuffled there only. What you do is, for that, what you do is, like that you do it. What I am doing, you just observe it. With your logic, you try to match it. What I am doing, of P, comma, Y, next T, next H, next what? O, next comma, N. Like this you use it. Now you see. str list. I will take one more also. Don't worry. Now I will take str list. Now I will take str list. str list you see. Now you see. Now I got the data. Python, now it is printing different order. One more way I want. See, one more way I want. I will copy this. Now see what I am doing. What is that? I will take print of like this. Last and final statement. Print of like this. What I am doing? List lst crs courses is equal to Python ma comma Java, and then what? DS comma AI. Multiple values I am taking. In where? List of courses, list of CRS. Now you print original courses is equal to of what? List CRS. Shuffle of list CRS. Now shuffled elements, list CRS. Execute. Now see execute. I got, see, Python, Java, DS. So I got Java, DS, AI, Python. So multiple values must be there. Now it is done. I hope that this is clear for all of you. Is it clear? Yes. Yes, ma, this is applicable only on mutable objects. Yes, 100%. When I am shuffling, it is playing in the same place. It is applicable only on what? Mutable objects, not applicable for immutable objects. That is an implicit. Now let us go to this function we written, and I will write shuffle function. This function is applicable for only mutable objects. Coming to the point back, that is done, dear student. Rand range function. Rand range function is used for methods. I am writing, ma'am. This method, this function returns a randomly selected element. Randomly selected element from the range created by the start and stop. Right. Now, if we don't specify stop value, then it starts from where? 0 to start minus 1. Are you following me? Are you following me, guys? Yes. So rand range function is also designed. So I will create, this is called notes now. So I will write notes. This I will upload in the classroom. This I will upload random module. Random module. So this is about a small discussion. In today's class, the concept of regular expression is completed and a random module, very small concept is completed. With this, we are understanding complete. Tomorrow, I'm going to introduce a most powerful concept. OOPS features I'm going to introduce. OOPS features, most powerful. Let us go for our research and expertism in OOPS. We are going to introduce. It's really amazing. It's really wonderful topic. Don't miss it. So tomorrow morning 9 o'clock, special link you are using. Evening 4 o'clock, you are using the regular link. Already I announced it. So don't miss it. It is an important session. Okay. Thank you. Good day for all of you. Yes, ma, I will explain. I will explain. Nothing to worry. Still time is there for me. Okay. Right. Thank you. Good day for all of you. Don't miss tomorrow class. Most important. Important. Yeah. New batch is going to start morning 9 o'clock, 27th. 27th morning. 27th morning 9 o'clock is my new Python batch. Right. Thank you.